Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use WhatsApp web on tablet. Pro tips step by step clearly. Open your tablet's web browser. Type in the URL for WhatsApp web. Visit web.whatsapp.com. A QR code will appear on your screen. Leave this page open. Now, grab your smartphone. Open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Select Linked Devices from the menu. Tap on Link a device. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on your tablet. Wait for the app to recognize the code. Once scanned, your WhatsApp chats will load on your tablet. You can now read and respond to messages using your tablet. For a seamless experience, consider adjusting the zoom level. To stay connected, ensure your phone remains online. Explore additional features like group chats and media sharing. Use the search bar to find specific chats or messages. Take advantage of keyboard shortcuts for quicker navigation. Remember to log out when finished to protect your privacy. Enjoy using WhatsApp web on your tablet with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.